everybody, it's Trucking Lock. Yeah, I'm a little late to the party, but I finally was able to get one of these Brinks. Actually, I got one in each color, but I'm going to do the other one in a separate video. I'm going to do an out of the package pick on this. I'm going to have a little bit of fun because I don't foresee this being that hard. You can see right here, it says it's pick resistant. So let's just see how pick resistant this thing actually is. I should probably just get a knife. Yeah, I'll get a knife. There we go. So we got the purple one here. Bitting is rather lackluster. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, not the best bitting in the world. Let's see what kind of tensioner I can get in here. That's gonna be too thick. Alright, we'll use one of these, and then we'll use my trusty Moki here, see what we can feel. Where are we getting hung up at? Let's restart this. Alright. You know what? I might want a little bit shorter hook. There's one. There's two. Alright, so we had to click on one, click on two, click on three. Oh, I think I overset something, unless this just needs. Oh, there it is. Alright, that's actually a fun pick. It's kind of a muffled feedback. I don't know. What did I do? It's alright, I have the key. Well, you know, I don't need the key. I'm going to try raking it. We'll see what I can do with this. I should probably use top of the keyway, huh? Trucker, what are you thinking? That raked pretty easy. But I think I broke my lock. Oh no, there it goes. Alright, let's try a different rake. Let's try the city rake. Yeah, I don't know if the city rake's the best choice. Alright, let's try another rake. Actually, let's see if I can zip this one. This would probably be better. Yeah, there he goes, hanging on that one pin. Damn it, I did it again. Well, these are fun little locks. So, yeah, 10 out of 10 on the fun scale, but probably like a -1 on the secure scale. Don't know if I can bypass this. I'm going to do a little research and see if I can bypass these. If so, I'll do it in the next video when I mess with the next one. But Brinks, fun lock, but I think lockout tagout might be the only thing that this is good for, and in low security applications. But if you're a newer picker, definitely pick one of these up. It is fun, and it will teach you a little different feedback than what you're used to. Yeah, it's kind of got a dead core in it, so that's everything I have for you guys today. Remember, like and subscribe. Until we talk again, happy picking.